Hi guys, welcome back to my page. So here's the gist. A few days ago I posted on my page that I got like Facebook monetization. Like I was monetized on Facebook, and that was big news for me because I've been trying to get on the monetization game for a while now, but for some reasons it has not been clicking or it has not been going through. I've been trying so much to monetize my profile on Facebook, but so I just gave up, not like I really give up anyways, but I decided to study the algorithm. I decided to study the Facebook very well. Like I really looked into their Facebook monetization policy, and I studied it, and I was able to get into the program. Okay, so here are the few things I've learned, and I want to share the tips with you guys because I've been getting lots of questions in my DM and on the comments. So some people were asking that how was I able to get monetized, and they also want to monetize their pages as well. So that is why we are here basically. All right, okay, so you guys, I'll be sharing the tips on how you can actually monetize your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. Okay, to start with, you can actually monetize your Facebook profile. Okay, so the first thing you want to ensure to do is that you have either a Facebook page or a Facebook profile. So I'll be making this video in 6 batches, in 6 episodes, showing you the basics, the things you need to put in place to be able to get monetized on Facebook. All right, so in this episode, this will be our first episode. So in this episode, I will show you how you can actually create a page or turn your profile into a professional mode. So that's what I'll be showing you in this video. So without any further ado, without talking too much, let's head over to my screen while I show you how you can easily do that, because let's get into it. First thing first, go to your Facebook page, then go to your profile section. You're going to click on that. Then you see these 3 dots beside advertise. Then you click on that, then it will take you straight to this page where you're going to see turn off professional mode. You can see mine is set to professional mode. In your case, it will be turned on professional mode. So you want to go ahead and click on that, and that way you will set your page to professional mode. Then if you want to create a page, that same method, scroll down, you're going to see pages. Go ahead and click on pages. Then it will take you straight to this page where you want to go ahead and click on create. Then you can either choose to use another person's profile to explore Facebook, or you go ahead and click on your own or build your own page from the scratch. So you want to go ahead and click on professional, which is highly recommendable as well. So go ahead and click on next to take you here. You want to suggest your page name, go ahead and click on, or you type in your suggested page name. Right, so you want to go ahead and do that. Let's say we want to use fancy corner. Right, then you go ahead and click on next. I'm not creating a page, I'm just for the purpose of this video, and that's it. So you just follow the instructions and the prompt, and that's very, very simple way to create a Facebook page. So you guys, if you enjoyed watching this episode, don't forget to leave a like, share, and comments. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and let me know what other thing you want me to talk about. Actually, I have lots of content. I have lots of amazing tips that I would love to share, or I would love to start sharing on this platform. And there was one thing I did differently, and which I believe that if you actually do it, you will get monetized. All right, so what you want to do is to follow me, follow, okay? Especially this monetization series, there's one thing I did very, very differently, and not many people actually know about it, and not many people are talking about it. So I'll be sharing that tip in the last episode. Like I said, this video is split into 6 episodes. You see that special tip, that special thing I did to get monetized, I'll be sharing with you on the last episode. So you want to go through this series, watch all the episodes, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys, love you too.